Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to check storage details in Redmi Note 11 smartphone. So before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open settings. Then you need to click about phone. Then you can find the option called storage. You need to open that. Now you can find every occupied storage by images, apps data and others data, video, APKs, system. You can find the free option also. So in this phone, 32 GB is occupied in the 128 GB. Now 95.4 GB available for using a new space. Also you can free up memory from here also. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.